Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is your science teacher Afreen. Hope you very nice, very fine. Take care. Be safe. Today is Thursday, 16th April 2020. Take out your learner's book. Open the page number 36 and 37. Today's unit is 4.2 and the topic is using materials. Topic is using material, unit 4.2. Open the page number 36 and 37. Okay class, today we will learn some glossary words. Number 1 is strong. What is the spelling of strong? S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Strong means what? Strong means cannot break easily. Any material which cannot break easily, we will say that is a strong material. Which cannot break easily, which cannot bend easily, which cannot cut easily, we cannot change the shape of a strong material easily. Those are the strong materials. So what is the definition of strong? We will say a material that cannot break easily is a strong material, and on your screen you can see there is car, key and hockey stick. Okay, these all are the examples of strong materials. Next glossary word is soft. S-O-F-T, soft. What is soft? Soft means not hard, or we can say a material whose shape we can change, which can break easily, which can cut easily, which can bend easily. That are the soft materials. So you can see on your screen there is polythene, fabric material and paper books are there. These are the examples of soft material. We can change, we can cut, we can bend the paper easily. Same thing we can do with the fabric material, fabric any dress, malabis. So if we want to turn the dress down, if we want to fold it, we can fold it easily, we can cut it easily, we can change the shape of fabric or paper easily. And the first picture is polythene bag. So these plastic bags are made up of plastic, but some plastic are soft and some plastic are hard. This plastic is a soft material, and you can see if you have in the home the water bottle, that are the hard materials, because we cannot change the shape of water bottle easily, we cannot break it easily, so that is hard material. But here this is a polythene bag and it is soft material. Now the third glossary word is magnifying glass. M-A-G-N-I, F-Y-I-N-G, magnifying glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass, magnifying glass. So yesterday we discussed about the magnifying glass. Why we are using this magnifying glass? We are using to make an object looks bigger. If we want to see, or if we want to make something bigger, any word or anything, we are using magnifying glass, and it is made up of glass. Yesterday we discussed about this one. Okay, so what is the work of magnifying glass? We are using it to make an object looks bigger. Now once a revision of glossary. Number 1, strong. Strong means cannot break easily. What is the meaning of strong? Strong means cannot break easily. Number 2, soft. S-O-F-T, soft. Soft means not hard. Soft means not hard. And number 3, magnifying glass. M-A-G-N-I-F-Y-I-N-G, magnifying, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Magnifying glass means we use to make an object look bigger. Okay, used to make an object looks bigger. These are your glossary. 3 words are there. Number 1 is strong, number 2 soft, number 3 magnifying glass. Now this is your homework turn. Your homework is write and learn all the work. What you study today? You study about the glossary. There are 3 words. Number 1 is strong, number 2 soft, number 3 magnifying glass. So you have to learn them and you have to copy them in the notebook with the examples. You can draw strong materials pictures, soft material pictures, and the picture of magnifying glass. Okay, thank you. Bye bye students. Happy weekends.